Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today the question is 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power minus x is equal to 6. Uh, we have to find the value of x. Now the solution is, before coming to the solution, please like and subscribe my channel and also guide me in the comment section. 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power minus x is equal to 6. Now multiplying by 2 raised to the power x on both sides, then 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power minus x is equal to 6 into 2 raised to the power x. Now using formula, a power b into a power c is equal to a power b plus c. Then 2 raised to the power x plus x plus 2 raised to the power x minus x is equal to 6 2 raised to the power x. Now 2 raised to the power 2x plus 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 6 into 2 raised to the power x. Now 2 raised to the power 2x minus 6 2 raised to the power x, 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, then it is equal to 0. 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now putting 2 raised to the power x whole square minus 6 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2 raised to the power x, let 2 raised to the power x is equal to a. Then a square minus 6a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now using quadratic formula, a dash is equal to 1, b dash is equal to minus 6, c dash is equal to 1. Then x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a is equal to a is equal to minus 6 plus minus under root minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 over 2 into 1 is equal to 6 minus minus plus 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 4 over 2. Then a is equal to 6 plus minus under root 32 over 2. Now A is equal to, taking 2 common, 3 plus 6 plus minus 16 into 2 over 2. A is equal to 6 plus minus the square root of 16 is equal to 4. 2 over 2. Taking 2 common, 3 plus minus 2 under root 2 over 2. 2 is cancelled. Therefore, A is equal to 3 plus minus 2 under root 2. Now, 2 raised to the power x is equal to A. 2 raised to the power x is equal to 3 plus 2 under root 2 and taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides. Then log 2 raised to the power x1 is equal to log 3 plus 2 log 2. x1 log 2 is equal to log 3 plus 2 log 2. x1 is equal to log 3 plus 2 log 2. Log 2. x1 is equal to log 2 3 plus 2 log 2. Now, using 2 raised to the power x2 is equal to A. 2 raised to the power x2 is equal to 3 minus 2 under root 2. Taking log 2x2 is equal to log 3 minus 2 under root 2. Log x2 log 2 is equal to log 3 minus 2 under root 2. x2 is equal to log 2 and log 3 minus 2 under root 2, which is our answer. Thanks.